Ayan, dito na kami. Naka-board na. Ayan, nandito na kami sa falls, guys. Sobrang ganda, lalo na sa personal, guys. Niagara Falls! Shark! Grabe!
You keep me wondering, is our love strong? Just like a love song, baby, it's haunting me. Don't know what you're thinking, it's like I'm sinking deep underwater. Maybe it's harder, harder, harder for me. Oh, harder for me. Maybe we're over it, or maybe just lovers, 'cause under the covers, baby, you're showing me how to be fearless, no one can hear us. You're throwing the bitters through the sun. Now but you're loving, loving, loving on me. Eh, loving on me. Maybe you won't see me get emotional, and sometimes I pretend I'm just above it all. But I want you lying next to me. Yeah, I want your body, body, body too. Yeah, body too. And baby, please don't think I run away from you. It's just sometimes I get scared to dive into it. I want you lying next to me. Yeah, I want your body, body, your body too. Yeah, body too. Will you be my ride or die? Around all these people, we'll try to be someone better than you and I. Pose up for pictures, but nobody listens to anything that you have to say. Can we just leave and walk away? Walk away, walk away. Maybe you won't see me get emotional, and sometimes I pretend I'm just above it all. But I want you lying next to me. Yeah, I want your body, body, body too. Yeah, body too. And baby, please don't think I run away from you. It's just sometimes I get scared to dive into it. I want you lying next to me. Yeah, I want your body, body, your body too. Yeah, body too.
Sarap? Ha? Subong?
Hindi masyadong matamis. May konting pait kasi cappuccino. Parang masyadong.
Yo, kakaiba, no? Hindi siya
Hindi
basta-basta
na
cookies.
puro tamis na cookies.
So, yeah. Hi.
Hi.
Oh, na-order mo?
Beef teriyaki.
Kamusta naman si Baby Disney?
Tulog.
Tulog ang baby na. Yan. Kain tayo guys. Fried chicken. Tapos may sweet and sour sauce. Sa kanya, beef broccoli.
Teriyaki.
Ha? Ay, teriyaki pala. Oh, beef teriyaki. Beef broccoli. Beef broccoli din kasi, di ba? Sige, sige. Alright, kain muna tayo guys. Bye!
Hi guys, gusto kumain. Dito kami ngayon sa gate. Hintayin lang natin mag-boarding.
Hi guys, ayan. Malapit na tayo mag-boarding. Time check tayo. 11:03 p.m. Ayan, so 12:05 yung flight namin. So, konti na lang. Meme, magpapapasok na yan. Kasi 12 yung ano namin, flight namin eh. Ayan, dito na kami, naka-board na. Hi.
Sana wala yung katabi.
Sana daw wala yung katabi. Ayan. Kasi meron kami dito isang katabi. Ano na, sa gitna kami. Pero yun naman yung gusto ni Boo. Sa gitna kasi may baby kami. Kinain niya sa window.
Yeah, taxiing na kami on the runway.
Voyons l'extension sont allumés. Pour votre confort, nous allons maintenant diminuer l'éclairage de la cabine. Si vous avez besoin de plus de lumière, vous pouvez allumer votre lampe de lecture personnelle.
Huwag na tulog. Dito na tayo. Toronto.
Ayan guys, nandito na kami sa Toronto. Faster. Faster. Alright, let's go. Alright, thank you. Do you have a sleeves? Thank you.
Ay, libre ba yan? Sige, sige.
Ayun na.
Ay, 25.
Hi guys, nandito tayo sa bilian ng ticket. Yung
Yeah.
ticketing ano nila eh.
Ticketing station dito. Ganyan lang.
Self-service. Tara, tayo naman bumili. Punta ngayon tayo sa... Ano tayo?
Wala lang.
So tara, kuha tayo na...
Union.
Sa Union Station tayo pupunta tapos diretso tayo sa Niagara Falls guys. Ayan, $12.35, dalawa, kukunin natin. So magiging 24 and 70 cents siya. $24.70 siya. Tapos continue na natin to. Debit, syempre.
Tap-tap na lang.
Tap na lang tayo para mabilis na. Okay na, ano? Tap ko na. Alright.
Bilis ah.
Tingnan lang natin yung ticket tapos lalabas na dito yan. Yan na.
Yan ah.
Tickets printing. Alright. Ano, isa-isa? Ayan. Ito yung tsura niyan. Adult one-way. Person Airport to Union Station. Bali, dalawa yung kinuha ko. Isa kami ni Boo. Ayan. Yun yung...
Libre po bata.
Libre bata, syempre.
May age limit, syempre.
Age limit.
Pero infant
So,
kasi yung amin.
Tara
so
na
libre.
guys. Hi guys, ayan, nandito na kami sa anong train?
Yung fix.
Ayan.
Pearson.
Ayan, ito yung Yan. Tama. Ito yung UP Express na galing airport. Papunta namin ngayon sa Union Station. Doon yung sasakyan namin papuntang Niagara Falls. Doon yung connecting na station. Alright guys, see you guys later.
We just sing along, and I can't help but feeling, just loving this moment. Can we stay here?
You know. Alright. Ayan, nandito na kami sa Union Station at hahanapin na namin yung next station, next train na sasakyan namin. Ayan, ibang transit naman yung pangalan niya guys. Hindi na siya express. Hindi na siya UP Express. Transfer tayo sa Go Train. Ayan, para yung Go Train na yun yung magdadala sa atin sa Niagara Falls. Like, mga 3 hours yun, di ba? Nabo? Ayan, 3 hours yun. Itong sinakyan namin airport to Union Station is around 30 minutes ang biyahe. Ang Union Station guys, ito yung downtown nila. So, napaka-accessible kasi yung airport nila diretso na dito sa downtown, no?
Just to wake you up. When I dance around, I can't help but feel.
Ayan guys, habang inaantay namin yung train pupunta Niagara Falls, kain muna tayo ulit. Ayan, kasama ko si Boo. Ayan, hi Boo.
Hello.
Ayan, ang order namin is anong tawag dyan? Bagel.
With sausage.
Bagel with sausage sa Tim Hortons syempre. Tapos sila ate yun order lang sa McDo. Kasi mga close pa naman yung mga tindahan dito. Yun sila kumakain na rin. Ayan, dyan. So, tara guys, kain muna ulit tayo. Nantok na ang aking buo. Yung next train, 3 hours yun. So, tingnan natin kung makaidlip tayo. Tara.
A few moments later.
Takay.
Ba't iniwan doon liglay sa ito?
Galit na. Put. Hi guys, ayan, nakasakay na namin sa Go Train.
Direct to Niagara Falls.
Ayan, nakuha namin yung tawag dito?
Walang bus trans.
Ito yung direct, kumbaga sa plane, direct flight. Ito, wala nang transfer to guys. Diretso na to sa Niagara Falls. Alright, si baby, kamusta? Tulog ulit. Pati surfing, si Ikan tulog to ano. Alright, sige, balitaan ko kayo guys kung anong ganap dito. Papakita ko sa inyo yung view namin dito. Bye guys!
You drive. Do you know I'm looking, and I can't help but smile. Do you know how much I love you?
Bumibilis na yung yung takbo ng tren guys. Kala ko kanina mabagal lang talaga eh. Kasi 3 hours yung na to, yung duration ng biyahe guys. Travel time natin is 3 hours to. Kaya na mabagal, pero ngayon medyo okay na tumutulin na siya. Ayan. Dito kami sa second floor ng train. Mas maganda yung view dito guys kaysa sa baba. Okay. Okay, dandan. Okay. Okay.
Oh, doon.
Sige. Thank you.
Laki na iwan ha. Kompleto ba kayo ng...
Okay, saan tayo ngayon? Guys, ayan, kumuha kami ng Wigo Pass. Ayan, 24 hours to Bali. Ayan, so $13 to each. Kahit saan na kayo pwede pumunta dito guys, sa Niagara Falls. Pwede nyo siyang magamit.
Sa Wigo Pass yung sasakyan.
Alright guys, see you guys later. Antay-antay lang kami ng bus. Bye! Transition!
This moment, can we stay here together? could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? Forever. Forever. Forever.
Card na sa'yo.
Ano sa akin?
I'm loving this moment.
Ha? Hi.
Stay here forever.
Embassy Suites?
This moment.
Alright, gotcha.
We stay here forever.
And top.
This moment.
Okay, thank you.
Here forever.
Ayan, nakatransfer na kami sa pangalawang bus. Ayan, diretso na to sa hotel, di ba? Alright, diretso na.
Sinabi mo?
Nasa taas kasi yung hotel eh, Embassy Suites. Tapos confirm, dadaan siya ron sa Embassy Suites kung saan kami naka-check-in. So, see you guys later. Bye.
Hehe daw, hehe. Sinisipat ko.
Gusto niyo mag-sightseeing? Ano? Ang lagay kayo lang eka?
Ayan guys, room tour muna tayo. Ito yung Embassy Suites. Ang laki ng room, grabe. Ayan. Ayan. Ito yung... Ay ate, ayan, nag-vlog din siya. Ito yung CR natin, ang ganda. Siyempre. At ito yung main event natin. Meron din ditong isang CR. Ayan, may bathtub dyan. Kompleto guys. So ito, wow! Meron tayo ditong 3 bed. Ayan oh, ganda. Wow! Ang view natin guys is falls. Ayan mismo yung Niagara Falls guys. Sobrang ganda. Kitang-kita mo overlooking guys oh. Alright. Ayan, happy anniversary! Kiss daw, kiss, kiss! Kiss, kiss, kiss! Ay, ganda ng view na!